Thutha wa kiama kia mubira wa maguru thiini wa thi FIFA kurutira bururi wa Kenya mukana wa kugiria gwikuruhania mbitiko ciothe cia kimabururi, anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa muthako uyu ni meyumiritie guthaitha thirikari itikire kunanira njung'wa na kiama giki niguo ngucanio ici icokererie. Magitongorio ni mutarani wa kimabururi wa nyavaria mubira Bobo Yugi na David Kenga uria wari muthaki wa kirabu gia Tusker FC maugite mukana ucio waya kuraga ngoro cia athaki aingi makiria aria akuma matura-ini.
Please assist FKF team, let us get that lift of that ban so that these people can be able to continue with their business as usual.
Oho makiuria minister wa mathako wa Amina Mohamed wethana na FIFA na kuiguithaniria uria mubira wa guku bururi-ini ugutwarithio na mbere handu ha kugia na mirugamo irahinyiriria athaki.
Hopefully they can resolve that issue, and by the time they resolve it, we are already ahead of the game.
Not only football, and we have footballers here who have developed into leadership.
Maiketi Ihoya riri hindi ya kurugurio kwa mbitika cia mubira wa maguru cia Irinjoki Football Tournament mwena wa Bahati kaunti-ini ya Naikuru iria ugite ni guteithiriria gukuria taranda wa ndini ithano cia gicigo kia ubunge kia Bahati.
If we can ensure that even these girls and these boys wameweza kwenda pale US, they wasome pale, they bring in that talent back home, they take even others back to the US, I'll be very happy to make sure that Bahati we have done something.
Kenya yarutiirwo mukana uyu kana gakiumia kihituku, FIFA ikiuga guthogwo kwa mitaratara na murutire wa wira wa ruhonge rwa kuramata muvira guku bururi-ini FKF ni thirikari nikio kiari gitumi kinene kia itacukia riu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.